Hello friends, welcome to Yasi Tech. Today I will show you how to solve slow fingerprint sensor on Galaxy A32. To improve fingerprint speed sensor, go to settings, go to biometric and security, more biometric settings, and uncheck this. Show unlock transaction effect. Number 1. Tip number 2. Fingerprints. Try to add same fingerprint twice at least. I have added same thumb twice, then on my left I added one fingerprint, so at least try to add at least 2 fingerprints. Then tip number 3, show animation when unlocked. Uncheck this also. Now this, there you see a improvement. Because of animation it was delaying some bit. Now it's opening within milliseconds. If you like the video, it was helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.